In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tabs to switch views in Asana. This is a fantastic way to enhance your project management experience and keep everything organized. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to locate the tab bar. When you open your project in Asana, you'll notice the horizontal bar sitting at the top of the project interface. This is your navigation center containing various options that enable you to view your tasks in different formats. Now, if you want a straightforward way to see your tasks, click on the List tab. This will change your view to a table format, making it simple to edit and organize your tasks into groups. It's a great option if you need to add columns for extra details, such as due dates or priority levels. You'll find that this view allows for quick adjustments and gives you a clear overview of everything at a glance. Next, let's switch to what I find to be one of the more engaging options, the board view. To do this, simply click on the Board tab. Here, your tasks transform into interactive cards. This format not only looks great, but also gives you a visual representation of your workflow. You can easily drag and drop these tasks between columns, which can be especially useful for tracking progress. It's like having a virtual Kanban board right in front of you. So if you love seeing your tasks move from one stage to another, this view will really resonate with you. But we're not quite done yet. Let's check out the chronological views. To do this, you can click on the Timeline tab. This option provides a linear Gantt chart-style display. It's perfect for those times when you need to see the bigger picture and understand how your tasks are dependent on each other over time. It's invaluable for project planning. If you're someone who prefers a more traditional approach, you can select the Calendar tab. This gives you a month or week view that's perfect for managing specific deadlines and appointments. You can easily mark dates and see how tasks align with your schedule. Now, let's not forget about the dashboard. To access this, simply select the Dashboard tab. This area serves as a reporting hub where you can view charts and widgets, analyzing your team's productivity and the overall performance of your project. This insight can be incredibly useful in decision-making and keeping everyone accountable. Finally, I want you to explore all the additional options available to you. If you scroll to the end of the tab bar, you'll notice a plus icon. Clicking on this will show you even more options, such as custom workflow, messages, or files. You can even add custom views tailored specifically to your project needs. This feature can help you create a workflow that fits your team's unique dynamics, so don't hesitate to play around with it. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using tabs to switch views in Asana. I hope these tips will not only streamline your project management process, but also make it more enjoyable. Feel free to let me know how these features are working for you and any other topics you'd like me to cover in the future. Thanks for tuning in.